Now we have to start putting the audio-visual part of the equipment together. So this is really the control box for audio and visual. You'll notice that there are two ends that have these little clips. Undo the clips, both sides, and take them off. That one has nothing inside it, so it can go somewhere safe, out of the way. And then we have the other side, and we get it out exactly the same way. Undo the clips. But on this side we have all of the manuals if you get into any difficulty, and all of the other equipment, including remote controls, cables, spare batteries, and so on. So the first thing we have to do for this, of course, is connect power. Excuse me. So we have a power lead, and we connect that. There is another power adapter here, which means that if you have prongs sticking out, the male end connector, you can actually plug them in there. So this gives you either or. So this is really for audio, and it has the CD player and everything in that box. And in this box we have the projector. So this is an extra strong BenQ projector, which is very, very delicate, and we place that on top of that box and remove this box. The next bit we have to do, of course, we've put the projector up here, and the one thing the projector needs, of course, is power. So because that's a male end and that's a female end, we can actually get the power from this box to go to the projector. So we have power to that, and we have power there. The next thing is that we require the video audio to come from the CD, which is this component at the front. So this is our CD rack here, and our controls. So we need somehow, once we put the CD in, to get that from the projectors. So we've got the HDMI coming from the projector, and we're going to use HDMI 3. In this case, you can use any one of them. However, you just know which one you're using, so that when you turn it on, you can actually set the machine to HDMI 3. So now that we've got the HDMI connected up, we've got the projector connected to the box, and of course once we turn the projector on, it will project the CD onto the screen. So now that we've got the visual going into the projector, we need the sound going to the speakers. So what we have here is the speaker cables. And that is the left speaker, so we connect that into the left, and then we go to the left speaker and we connect into this middle one, which is line in. And just as we did for the left speaker, we then plug in the other speaker cable to the right. And now I'll plug into the right speaker. We've already plugged the left speaker in. And there's your right speaker connected. So once we've plugged in the power to the speakers, there is a switch. Just make sure that the volume is down so that we don't blow the speakers, and then we turn the speaker on there. So as part of the show, you may have to make an announcement, and therefore we have this box can also handle microphones. So you open this little drawer here, and this is where the microphones and some other remotes are kept. We have a cordless microphone, in which case we need these two antennae. So if you look at the back of the control box, you'll see here these two connections here, and these are for each of these. You then twist that on. These end pieces twist so that, oh, where are we? You twist that till it's stuck and then put that back up. So they're the antenna that will transmit to the microphone. So now we've brought our extension lead over here. We've actually got 4 plugs we can plug in here. So we will plug into the power. And just so that you're aware, there is actually a switch on these these power adapters. So don't be like me and forget to switch that on. So once we've got that on, we turn the box unit on, and the power of the Raxicoil. So now that we've got the box on there, for example, I can try the microphone, just making sure that the levels and the volume is up. This is a cordless microphone, and when you press that and hold it, you will see that it comes up with a frequency. You will notice that that is the same as the frequency on the control box.
That's why it's working. So
to turn this off, you just press and hold until the word off comes up and the microphone is off.